Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to make another delicious coffee. So let's get started. First I take a cup and add 1 teaspoon of coffee powder and 1.5 teaspoon of sugar. Then I add a little hot water to the cup. After that, I use my coffee blender to mix everything together until it becomes smooth, creamy and frothy. Now, let's move on to the next step. In another glass, I pour some cold milk and add a little dark chocolate. Then I mix well until the chocolate blends nicely with the milk. The dark chocolate gives the coffee a rich and delicious flavor. Once the chocolate milk is ready, I slowly pour it to the creamy coffee mixture. And there you have it.